If you want to change the specific form email address receiver, you want to go to your WIX dashboard, and then you want to hover over customer and leads at the left side of your screen, and then you want to click on form and submission. And then right here, you can just choose any specific form that you want to change the email address of the receiver. And then you want to click on three dots right here, and then click on form notifications. At the settings of the form, you want to scroll down until you see notification and automation right here. And then on the new submission, on the send an email right here, you want to click on edit. And then here at the bottom of WIX form submitted, you want to go to action here and send an email. You want to click on it one time on send an email. And then on send an email, you want to scroll down until you see this set recipient. Just click on set recipient one time and scroll down again. And as you can see right here, if you want to change the recipient email, you can just click on X button right here and add a new recipient. And then click on contact. On contact, you can just create a new one. And then you can enter the first name, last name, and email. And you don't need to add the phone number. You can just click on save after you fill up the first name, last name, and email. And there you go. You can just click on the new email and then click on add. And then you are good to go. The contact was added. After that, after you add the new email, you want to click on apply right here. And then click on publish changes at the top right of your screen. And there you go. This way, the specific forms was already changed the email address of the receiver. And keep in mind that by default, the form submission and email are sent to the email address associated with your WIX account. And then to change your base email, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click on your profile picture. And then you want to go to account settings right here. And then on account settings, on login info, you can just change your account email. But if you already changed your email in that specific form, then you don't have to do this. If you still have any question about WIX, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to change email address of WIX form submission. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.